Hey folks, this is Kay with an important message for all marketers or anyone looking to make immediate cash flow. Something just came out that's hitting the internet and this thing is literally going viral. I am sure you've probably seen it. If you haven't seen it, trust me, you're going to see it in days. So I'm getting this message out there to folks who are in my circle here who's looking for cash flow and looking for leads. So pretty much marketers. If you're on my channel, you're actually seeing this. This is something that get out as I go along because you're going to be seeing this and this is going to become pretty significant as you're going to market your opportunities. So if you're looking for something automated to market with but you're also looking for cash flow, listen to this video. It's going to help you out in terms of getting both of those. So this is involving something that's literally going viral because it has a cash flow component to it and also a leads component to it. This is attractive to both people who are marketers or people looking to make money. So if you're in either of those categories, you want to listen to this. This is about the smart AI that's coming out that people could use to literally get leads. So here's how this thing is rolling out. There's this process calling out. I'm sure you've seen it. If you haven't, you're going to be seeing this. It's called Smart Desktop AI, and this is literally a game changer in the market. You're hearing about AI doing all kinds of stuff. You're wondering, how can I get on AI to literally explode your business? Well, this company is looking to do that. And here's how it's working. It has a cash flow component in there currently, and then it has the leads. So you literally could jump in this thing, and it's called the Smart Desktop AI. I'll show you all about it, so stay tuned. At the end, I'm going to give you some bonus things that you can actually use to explode this stuff. So with this process here, it's going to cost you one time $20 to jump into this. And then as you, in a sense, get out there and show people this awesome tool that people have access to generate themselves leads, you literally earn $60. So you pay one time $20, but you're earning $60 to, in a sense, introduce this to marketers who needs this anyway. So you can see the huge potential here for the cash flow. You just put in one time $20, you earn $60 over and over that you're introducing people. So that's every time you introduce someone to this, you're earning $60. So introduce this to 10 people only, you literally generate $600 for this event if you just did it for 1 month, right? So that's why people are just clamoring to get in on this because they see the value. $20 one time, they could earn 60. They also get leads with this system, and that's 50 leads per day. And get this, the AI is following up with those leads. So it's not like those other systems out there, right? They give you leads, but then you're like, okay, what am I going to do with the leads? How can I use them? The AI takes over for you to follow up with those leads. So literally, you're getting 1,500 people looking at your business every month, right? And the AI is following up with all of them so you don't have to. So that's the beauty of this, and this is why this thing is literally, guys, I'm telling you, going viral. So you got to see this. If I'm detailing this, you're going, I don't get it. Hey, hold on, and then I'll show you a site. Then you could kind of, review it yourself, and then you'll see what I mean. Because this video is not going to be long enough for you to get the full effect of it. So I'm just giving you an overview. So $20 one time to get in, you earn $60 every time you introduce this to another marketer who sees this, because we all need leads. $20 one time, 50 leads a day, the automation follow up with it, it's becoming a no-brainer for marketers, and that's why it's going crazy. So this smart desktop AI is recently coming out. It's kind of in that pre-launch kind of stage, and they're doing something where they have seed money that they're getting folks in that could go ahead and market this quickly so they could flood the market and get this thing going very quickly, right? They're using the money in a sense to get the customers so they don't have to wait a long time to get this thing going. It's a smart marketing plan they have when you see it. So I'm going to take you to the site to show you what it is. And then it's going to be a simple process of how you could actually sign up for one time $20 and then get yourself started. So let me show you what that looks like. So the site is this. It's called Smart AI Desktop. And when you come to this site, this is what it is. And literally, one time $20, and it's only a limited amount of people they're letting get in for this. 10,000 people, because they have a seed money to, in a sense, help affiliates who are looking to market this. Get in for $20, market it. They're only allowing 10,000 people to get in on this deal where you do this. So that's why this thing is going nuts. Now, when they say read this twice, they are not kidding. You want to read this twice. You want to look at this website very carefully, and the videos are very small. when I listen to this one, it's like, oh wow, I noticed, I recognize this guy in this video. I know this guy is quite a helper in the world of make money online. He's a given person who's trying to really help people make money. So it gave me some sense of comfort to see that, knowing that there's some other people in the industry who are helpful in nature, want to see people prosper in this. Now, you want to, of course, check out this 1 minute video. This is the video that's gonna to help you really see the bigness of this platform to help you as a marketer. And of course, they mentioned the process that it's one time only. You pay one time and then you get all the details. So you want to go to this website. I'll leave the link below so you could actually go to the website. So that's the amazing stuff that's flooding the internet right now, that if you haven't heard about the smart desktop AI, you want to go check it out. If you've been seeing it and you know what, not paying attention, it's time to pay attention. So with that, when you go there, simple process of you to join. So I'm going to show you how you join, because the process is kind of different since you're just launching. So when you go there, you know, with the link, and you could definitely click on my link, and this is where you end up. So when you go there, this is where you end up. You're gonna pay your $20, and it's only $20 one time. Literally, that's what I paid. There wasn't anything for me to have a recurring charge, so that was it. And then when you're done, you're gonna get a screenshot like this. You know, it's either gonna look like this or like this, depending on if you're a desktop or, you know, a phone. And then that's it. So you want to take a screenshot just to have it, because they're pretty much new in the infancy of them rolling things out, right? And then they're going to send you an email, and this is what the email looks like. The email is going to have your details, your login details. You just click the link, put the username and password that they give you, and then you log into your back office with the Smart Desktop AI, and you have all the details here of, you know, what's happening. You get a referral link that if you want to go ahead and, you know, shoot it out to a couple people, then you could go ahead and do that, which I highly recommend that you do, right? Because like I mentioned, this system is about cash flow and leads. And you get into this system for one time $20. When you show other marketers this powerful platform, then you actually make $60. So that's a cash flow, right? So if you do that with 10 marketers, that could be $600 that you just generated, all by showing marketers how they could automate their marketing process, which we're looking for anyway, because we don't want to go talk to friends and family. So that's the process of it. Really simple. So my name is Kay. If you're new to my channel, haven't seen me, don't know about me, this is what I do. I like to help people make money, and I want to partner with people to make money. I don't want to make money from you. So if something's a dud, I'm not going to do it just to make money from you. I truly want to partner with people to make people money. So let me show you some of the things I've done to help my team making money, because it's not about me, it's about us making money. Now, I've been in systems where, you know what, I've joined things and I help people, you know, create systems that make this thing work. Because at the end of the day, it's about marketing, right? And if you don't have nothing to market with, don't know how to market, it's not going to go anywhere, right? So I've literally created training systems to help people maximize their results, getting conversion and stuff. And literally, you can see this funnel I put together. And I literally walk my team step by step through the entire process of how to advertise, where to advertise. I give them scripts. I give them banners to use. I give them additional stuff, everything in a sense to help them succeed. So my heart is truly into helping people, and that's what I want to do, help people make money, it being a win-win. So I'll also show you some other stuff I've done. If you've seen stuff like this, you know, floating around, this is all, you know, stuff that I've created to help my team succeed, and that's my entire goal. So I've done stuff with, you know, creating banners for my team, lead capture pages, email series, presentation aids and videos, marketing consultant, and even strategic planning to say, okay, as a group, how can we actually win together? So if you're seeing this, you're not exactly in Smart AI, right? You haven't joined it, you've seen it, you're like, you know what, I want to check it out. I definitely say, you know what, go ahead and check it out. I have some information below. You could click on it, check it out. And if you decide that you want to partner with me in on it, I'll have my link that you could join with me. So for folks who are looking to join this, if you're ready to join this, it's a one-time $20. You get in. I've shown you that I've joined for $20, the screenshot of it, and you get your link. So if you're ready to join, you look and say, you know what, I've seen enough, I'm ready to join this thing. Here's what I'm doing. I'm actually showing people how I'm getting the word out. Literally, I'm giving you the marketing scripts, every material that I'm using. I'm giving folks it free. Just use it, do your thing with it, you know, make this work for yourself. So I'm giving you all of that. And as I create more things, like you see, and I've created a lot of stuff, right? And this is at its infancy. So as I create more stuff to make this go even better, you'll have access to that and be able to use them. So I'll give you what I'm using. I'll show you where I'm advertising this because, as I mentioned, you get in for one time $20. You advertise this, and other marketers come in, or whoever is looking for cash flow, right? And leads. They come for just $20, and they have the opportunity to get the system right and also generate monies and cash flow for themselves. So it's a win-win for everyone. So it literally gives you a strong cash flow that if you're hurting for cash right now, right, you're waiting for other things to come through, you have something to work. Plus, you have a marketing system that you could get the leads to funnel your other business. I'm also giving folks updated information about this program, right? Telling you about how it's working, if it's not working, if it's good, what's not good, whatever it might be, so you're not left in the dark. Lots of times we're doing things and we don't get the information as we need it to make a decision whether it's worth continuing. That's my goal, to keep on top of this so I could have information to, make sure I know for myself what to do, but also inform you so you're aware of how to navigate. Also, I'm giving folks access to the Telegram group I'm creating, and that's for anyone in SmartDesk.ai, right? Because like I mentioned, I'm here to partner with people to help people make money online. So if I could be of help to, you get the same tools. Once you're in the Telegram group, you get access to all the same stuff I'm giving anyone who joins with me, the scripts, all that stuff. For me, it's like, hey, the more we make this a better place for people to make money, the better it is for all of us. So you'll get access to join the Telegram group as well as the other stuff that I have up there. So if you're ready to join, there's information in just below, so you could actually check that out. So when you check the information out, or you can literally go here where it says bit.ly get smart desktop. So if you go to bit.ly get smart desktop, you can literally join me in this, right? So just go there and you're literally joining my team here. When you join, you just take a screenshot just in case, just to have that, and then you'll get an email to with your login details that the company will send you, and that's it. You could definitely reach out to me because my details are going to be here somewhere, that I'm very accessible to you, so you could actually have that. So folks, simple. This stuff is truly going viral. If you're not